If you want to install Photoshop on your mobile phone, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the easiest way to get Photoshop on your phone step by step using the official app from the Google Play Store. This is the safest method, and it only takes a couple of minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. You can do this by tapping the Play Store icon from your home screen or app drawer. Once the store opens, go to the search bar at the top of the screen and type Photoshop Express. Make sure you search for the correct app because Adobe has different apps and you want the official Photoshop Express version. After that, look for the app in the search results. It should be listed by Adobe, and you can usually recognize it by the Adobe logo and the app name Photoshop Express. When you found it, tap Install. Your phone will now download and install the app automatically. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a few moments. Once the installation is finished, tap Open to launch the app right away. The first time you open it, you may be asked to sign in with an Adobe account. If you already have one, go ahead and sign in. If not, you can create a free account in just a few steps. This is important because signing in may unlock extra features and help you save your work across devices. After you're signed in, you're all set to start editing photos on your mobile device. You can import images, make quick edits, apply filters, and use the app just like a mobile version of Photoshop tools. So to recap, open Google Play Store, search Photoshop Express, tap Install, open the app, and sign in or create an account. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you install Photoshop on mobile, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.